Hi everybody, Tyler here of Culpster Railroad, and today I thought I'd give all of you guys an update since it's been a few days after the Monroe swap meet and things have really changed since the layout tour video, so I want to show you the changes I've made. So first off, all of you guys might have known I finally completed this first set of shelving, and well, I guess I've acquired enough stuff that can fit on all of it and created this little post-war like layout here and put that in. The shelves make a great backdrop for it. And of course, getting a few new locomotives along the way. And right here, I set up a small replica of one of my earliest HO layouts from when I was 13, and yes, still doing HO. It's kind of fun. This brings back so many memories just having this here, even though it's not realistic, but it gives memories. I have my HO stuff there. And some big changes to the layout. Right after I made the layout tour video, I decided to set up this little neighborhood area up here because, well, I like having one of those and kind of enough out of the way to where it doesn't seem like it kind of is, you know, unrealistic. Houses that are right next to a railroad yard, I mean, yeah, that wouldn't be super realistic either, but the fact that it's elevated and at least far enough away helps it. And of course, added that section up there. And even doing a little bit more with the ground cover too a bit. And those paper palm trees that I made there. And also adding the roads with this thick gray cardboard. That's mainly all the major changes to the layout. And applying more scenery. Need to get a lot more trees and some more hills where I could put trees in, because the base is, I really should have had the base a bunch of the foam and then just painted over it to apply the scenery a lot easier. But I guess it's a little too late for that. I suppose I could just start over, but I come far enough away to where I don't really mind too much.